So how to create a thumbnail for YouTube video. So in this video I want to show you how easy to create one thumbnails for your YouTube videos. So first of all, you need to install your Photoshop on your laptop. If you don't have it, you can purchase on Adobe website. Just let you know, I'm not promoting Adobe products. I'm just trying to show you how you can create a thumbnails on Photoshop. It's pretty easy. That's pretty much what I do as well for my YouTube videos as well. So I'm gonna start to open my Photoshop and I'm gonna move on from there. And before we move forward, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, thumbs up as well. For the new faces that subscribe to my channel, really thank you. Thanks a lot for subscribing. Any questions, ask in the comments. Again, you can join my prochannel.com and we can talk more further on that board. Again, thanks a lot for new subscribers who subscribe to my channel. Thanks for being on my channel. I know you're new to my channel, but I really appreciate that. Anyway, let's move forward and show you how to create a thumbnail for your YouTube videos in Photoshop. Cool, so just make sure you install your Photoshop and let's open my Photoshop. So once you open the Photoshop, make sure you click the file and new project, new document. Now for the YouTube thumbnail, the size are 1280 by 720 pixels, and you can click create. Also, you can click transparent, depends how you want the background to look. I always click transparent for some reason, and just click create. Now, once you create the document, you're gonna see literally the slot here. Means you'll now have to choose a photo and to make your thumbnail. So assuming you already have the picture already made, you just need to import your photo. You know what, I will just drop the picture on the Photoshop as usual. So I usually drop the picture on Photoshop and then from there I'm taking over. So I got the picture here, which I just took it to show you. So once you've dropped the picture on your document, you're gonna have the options to edit your photo. So as you see, I've took this picture literally 5 minutes ago, just before starting this YouTube video, and it's obviously my drone, and you can actually adjust the settings. You can click auto and it will adjust automatically, or you can just play around yourself and just do the way you like the photo to look. So I'll just edit it a bit myself, try to add a bit of shadow as well, highlight too high, maybe with saturation. Yeah, looks great for me. Now you need to make sure the photo fits within this document, and we'll zoom in. That's it. So that's the picture of the product. This can be yourself as well if you want to make a picture of yourself. I just decided to show you how to create a thumbnails for YouTube by using my drone. So now, depends what Photoshop version you have. You literally can remove the background if you want. It doesn't look really good for me, or you can just select a subject and from here you can adjust them settings yourself. So let's have a look. Maybe I want to be more, take more from a drone. It's not the case, to be honest. I just don't really matter for me. I just took that, and then you can click Command J and you have this picture on the transparent background. It totally depends on you what or how do you want the photo to look. In my case, probably I'll add a bit of text, maybe a bit of blur background at the back. So I'll add a bit of blur. Let's filter. Okay, choose a layer, click filter, and you can click blur, and then you can click this blur. And from here you can adjust the blur of this photo. So you can choose like that. Depends how blur you want the photo to look. Don't go too mad. I think this will be alright in my case, and add this. So as you can see here, I've just added the copied subject in this photo, and you can see here if I unhide or hide this copied layer, you can see that the picture is totally blurred. So let's put it on, and that's how it looks. Now regarding the text, let's have a look the text wise. Maybe you want to add a bit of text, and you can choose how you want to look your text, your font. So let's choose a simple one. We'll choose this one. Or let's go for this one. What do you think? How it looks here? Maybe. It's always important when you take a picture of whatever you want to put on your thumbnail to leave a lot of gap. So in my case, I probably could leave a bit more gap on this side so I can fit a whole text. But imagine if this photo was like fully covering the whole document, means I won't be able to put this text somewhere. So make sure you leave a bit of gap for your text, and maybe you want to add some, objects. Cool, let's edit this text. So to edit this text and to make it look a bit more nicer, you can click add the color. So if you like the white, you can leave it white. I like this color, and you can see here this color is already here. It's a kind of green to yellowish. Cool. Now let's click on the layer and to click on the layer style. So from here you can make adjustments to this text. So example, if you want the stroke, if you want example around your text to show a color, black, white, whatever, red, you can click on stroke, and then here add the size. And I don't know if you can see, to show you a bit, I want to show you how it looks like. Stroke, click outside, click normal, and that's how it looks. I went too mad, but here how it looks, really much more, but with a bit black around the text. So let's leave it black, and it's already giving different vibe to this thumbnail. And now let's add a bit more options to this layer. So click again on the layer style, and you can here choose how you want text to look. You can add a bit of blending options, and here if you want your text to look more like a bit more real, I'll probably don't put this. I will probably go for drop shadow and a bit of blacks. I don't know if you can see the difference. It gives a bit of difference here. I don't know if you can see, but here's the difference. So with, without, and with the shadow, gives a bit better look. Now you can have a bit more outer glow, means the text will gonna have kind of a glow. So let me know how you think about this text. Now, if you want to add this text maybe below, well, sorry, maybe behind the subject, you're gonna have to drop it down here behind the layer, and just assuming you wanna put it here. You also can make the text a bit bigger, something like that. Maybe you want to add a bit more. So let's see that. Let's change DJI R2S, maybe like that. So it gives like a bit more kind of better look than from beginning. So what do you think about this? We can go a bit more in depth. Maybe you want a bit more text to one side. Maybe you want to add a bit of effect to this text. You can add a bit more effect to this text by filtering, maybe blurring, and go for motion blur. Right, you can a bit like add it. It looks a bit more like a motion blur it is a motion blur, but it looks like vibrating text, something like that. But I will probably leave it like this. So that's pretty much how you can create simple thumbnails in Photoshop. I mean, if you want to go more in depth, you can add a lot of objects like arrows, emoticons, maybe more text if you want, but I think filling up the thumbnails with too much objects can look a bit pushing back the people who want to view your video. But that's pretty much, in my case, how I edit thumbnails for my YouTube channel. I think it's really important to focus on thumbnails on your YouTube videos, and if maybe you don't know how to create them, this is basic things you can do in Photoshop. Maybe if you want, let's say you want to add black box behind this text, you can add this, creating a new layer, let's say changing the color to this block, that's it, and putting behind the text, boom, that's it. Looks a bit better, isn't it? Maybe it's what looks better for me might not look better for you, but everyone is different. And that's pretty much what a lot of people do on YouTube. They use thumbnails with black box behind the text. You can have the white text if you want. You can change the color. It's pretty simple. It's totally up to you how you want to achieve this thumbnail for your YouTube video. But that's pretty much what I want to show you in this video, how to create a simple thumbnail for your YouTube video. Any questions, ask in the comments. Maybe if you need help, I'm happy to help. In myprochannel.com, I can help and guide you how to create a simple thumbnail for your YouTube videos. Again, it's pretty simple. That's what I want to show you today in this video. And again, thanks a lot for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and I'm going to see you in the next video.